Hey, welcome back to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you'd like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you purchase your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today, we're going to be looking at this Audemars Piguet Royal Oak Offshore flyback chronograph in stainless steel, this one with a baby blue dial, and also has a matching blue textured strap. The model reference number for this watch is 26238ST.OO.A340CA.01. Retail price on this watch for 2022 is $37,300 US. So I'll be going over all the aspects of this watch: the case, the bezel, dial, crown functions, as well as the movement and the strap. And I'll be giving some of my thoughts on the watch throughout the review. The Audemars Piguet Royal Oak Offshore flyback chronograph is a 42mm watch from my thumb to my pointer finger here. It's a full-size watch for men. Now, this watch line, the Royal Oak Offshore, was debuted in 1993, and since then the popularity of the Offshore has taken off and has become one of the best sellers. Its 8-sided bezels are all too familiar here, and we see a modern take on the chronograph with a new movement this time. They are offered in sizes ranging from 37mm to 43mm. This one is a 42mm, and the case is measured, again, from my thumb to my pointer finger, minus the crown here. The case thickness on this watch is over 15mm, so it's pretty beefy. That's a pretty beefy watch case. The watch is water resistant up to 100 meters or 330 feet, so you can bring this in the pool, but you're not going to be going diving with it on. Let's try this watch on for size. Yeah, just as I thought, this watch is a quite bit oversized for my medium-sized wrist. At under 7 inches, this watch looks a little bit larger on my wrist. It still fits though. Or at least I can put the strap on and have it held tight on my wrist. You're more likely to fit this watch if your wrist is over 7 inches. Take this off my wrist. The instantly recognizable octagonal bezel makes this watch a crowd pleaser. It's made of stainless steel. It has a brushed finish from top to bottom, and also has a high polish on the sides with some extra contrast. The bezel is secured by 8 white gold hexagonal screws. You see them here. It completes that look for the Royal Oak Offshore bezels. It's beautiful. Now going into the dial, we're looking at this beautiful baby blue dial with a black and orange accent. There's 3 black subdials at the 12 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and 6 o'clock position. And you can see the hour and minute hands for the chronograph. You'll see Arabic numbers or hour markers. They have lume on them, so you'll see them floating around the dial here. The hands, hour and minute hands, also have lume on them as well. You can also see the date here at the 3 o'clock position. It's actually right underneath that hand there. Let me go ahead and lift that hand out of the way. You notice that date window has black text with a baby blue matching background on there. It's a nice touch. And you can see the crown here at the 3 o'clock position can be wound in its first position closest to the case after you unscrew it from the case. 10 to 15 turns should get this watch moving. Second position out is going to be able to change the date. See me cycle through the date window. And also third position out is going to allow you to adjust the hour and minute hands. Now once you have your hands set, you can pop the crown back in, screw it down, and your watch is set. We have the pushers here at the 2 o'clock and 4 o'clock positions for the chronograph. Like I said, this is a flyback chronograph, so that top pusher starts and stops the chronograph function. You can see that orange chronograph hand moving around the dial. Now while it is a flyback chronograph, what that means is you can actually depress the bottom button here to reset that chronograph hand back to the 12 o'clock position without needing to actually start and stop it again. And it will continue counting down. If you want to stop it, you can go ahead and depress the top button here, and you can reset it back to the 12 o'clock by depressing the bottom pusher. And the movement that runs this beautiful watch is a caliber 4404 flyback chronograph. It's under an exhibition case back. It's a beautiful movement. It's one of their modern movements. 4401 or 4404 caliber movement. It's a flyback chronograph. You can see it under this large exhibition case back. It has the hour, minute, date, center, seconds function, and a flyback chronograph. The power reserve on this movement is 70 hours, so you can set this watch down for a couple of days, pick it back up, and it will still be keeping time. A self-winding movement also keeps the watch wound while it's on your wrist. It's beautifully worked, and it's more modern looking. Doesn't need much beautification to look good. It's made up of 433 components, which is a lot of parts. This 18 karat rose gold winding rotor is open worked, so you can see the movement much better. This movement looks really nice. Now going on to the strap that holds this watch, we're looking at this baby blue textured strap with a matching stainless steel tang buckle. The strap feels like it firmly holds the watch case. Feels secure. This watch has a new strap change system, which allows you to actually swap out the different straps easily. So you can even change out the tang buckle easily as well. This is how it works. So you can actually depress the buttons underneath the case here. These are actually 2 buttons here. So once we depress them, we can actually remove the strap. The tang buckle also, you can remove this as well. The way it works is, I think you have to, there you go. You can lift this up. This piece actually flips out and allows you to actually take the buckle off like that, like so. You can slip it back on, or you can put this on a new strap, pop it back on. It's easy as that. Then to pop it back on the watch itself, it acts just like a seat belt. So you can actually just put them into place here and depress, and it'll snap back into place. Nice and secure. The Audemars Piguet Royal Oak Offshore flyback chronograph is a stainless steel sports watch here. It's a great sports watch. It actually is has the modern caliber 4404 flyback chronograph movement with a 70-hour power reserve. Has a baby blue mega tapestry dial with black subdials. It's very eye-catching. It's easy to read too, so you can't mistake this watch for any other brand. This watch just oozes Royal Oak Offshore vibes and keeps it fun, especially with this new baby blue color. Now it looks great as a sports watch, but it's going to be hard to fit under this watch under your shirt cuff. It's more than 15 millimeters thick from front to back, so yeah, it's thick. Personally, I prefer a 37 millimeter watch for my medium-sized wrist. I'd be more interested in that if they made one smaller. Now, if you want to know where to get this watch, we have it on our website at jazztime.com. Model reference number, again, is 26238ST.OO.A340CA.01. This is the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak Offshore Flyback Chronograph in stainless steel with a baby blue dial. Again, we're an online store, so you can visit us in the comfort of your own home. Go to jazztime.com. Thank you for watching.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on the mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.